To wrap up the protein section, let's talk about what happens when the environment in the protein or the protein's environment is altered. Usually you get something called protein denaturation. So, like we already stated, a protein only works in its correct shape. Remember that. Okay? And again, one more time. The shape correlates to its function. If it doesn't have the right shape, it will not be able to do its function. So changes in the environment may cause a protein to denature. Okay, and another way to remember this word of denature, or to understand what this means, let me rewrite it. Think about unfolding. Okay, unfolds, and this was what happens. So when a protein unfolds or denatures, it loses its functionality. Period. Okay. This is a, let's go to my example over here. Let's go to a to this figure. This is a normal protein. This is a normal protein, proper function, can do its job. What happens when you change its environment? You end up with a denatured protein. This is going to be unfolded. Okay. I want to put here can't meet its function. Right? And that's why I mean, this is pretty obvious, right? Something that is normal is able to do its job. Something that is unfolded cannot do its job, right? What are some examples of altering this environment? Well, think about, for example, increasing temperature. If you increase the temperature, it increases molecular motion affecting hydrogen bonds and the bonds between the R groups, and therefore it unfolds. What about changes in salt concentration? All right. Well, because of the ionic interactions between R groups, it's going to unfold as well. Another thing is also changes in pH. For example, lowering the pH, which what happens is uh, you increase hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration, which means that that's going to affect again how protein interacts with itself, because it's going to be attracted probably to these hydrogen ions, right? And the protein is therefore going to unfold. So whenever you change the protein into something that is not, let me just say here, normal protein under optimal conditions. Okay, that means it's proper temperature, proper pH, etc., etc., etc. So if it's under, if the protein is under, it's in a proper environment, proper temperature, pH, etc., that protein is going to work. Okay, it will work. It will meet its function. However, if you change the environment outside of the protein, then the protein can get unfolded or denatured, and therefore it cannot do its job.